Hey there, I'm Tim. Welcome back to EDU 90 and another remote episode. I'm here at home and recording on my Chromebook. As the COVID-19 crisis continues, many of us are still trying to adapt to the new reality of at-home learning, and educators and guardians may find themselves looking for ways to keep students engaged and challenged. One solution to help with this is Grasshopper, a fun, free app that teaches coding to learners ages 13 and up. On this episode, we'll take a look at how it might be useful for your students and how they can get started. Let's check it out. Grasshopper is available on desktop, Android, and iOS and uses bite-sized, visual, and puzzle-based JavaScript lessons to take learners from absolute beginners to understanding coding fundamentals in just a few weeks. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language and is used by more than 70% of professional developers. With JavaScript, Grasshopper can teach fundamental coding concepts that are not only immediately relevant, but are also broadly applicable to nearly all coding languages. Starting with JavaScript gives learners the foundation they need, as well as the flexibility to apply what they learn in Grasshopper to other programming languages. Even for eager learners, though, coding can sometimes seem daunting. That's why Grasshopper is designed to offer an accessible and encouraging coding education. With lessons backed by computer science research, Grasshopper gives students the support they need to increase their confidence and motivation. Beginning coders can get basic experience in coding and then move on to more extensive training that broadens their skills. Grasshopper embraces meeting students where they are with lessons that are always available. And since the app is available on desktop and mobile devices, students can pace themselves and work through lessons whenever they have a little extra time, whether that's in between virtual classes, while riding in a car, or even when they're watching TV. Lessons in Grasshopper begin with JavaScript coding fundamentals and gradually progress in difficulty to cover topics like algorithms, web page creation, and computational thinking. For example, in this puzzle, students use JavaScript to add new elements to the HTML and are rewarded with virtual confetti when they complete the puzzle. Students using Grasshopper learn how to create fun animations with code, build a website using HTML and CSS, and use various problem-solving techniques that help them apply new concepts to what they've already learned. At the end of Grasshopper's curriculum, students will be familiar with core programming concepts, comfortable solving problems with code, and able to create a simple web page. To get started today, visit the Grasshopper website or download the Android or iOS app. Be sure to check out other episodes of EDU in 90 and subscribe to the Google for Education YouTube channel. We'll see you next time as we wrap up Season 6 of EDU in 90. Check out our last episode to learn about Read Along, an engaging and free new Android app that encourages young learners to have fun while learning to read.